Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. So today's topic is velocity in spherical mirror of ray optics. In previous video we talked about velocity in plane mirror, which is an easy topic. Today we'll discuss the new topic where there is also a formula which is very important. If you remember this, you can solve all the numericals very easily. So without wasting time, let's get started. So today's topic is in case of concave or convex mirror, when any object moves with any speed, then what is the velocity of image? So I'll discuss this topic through numericals in very easy way. You will follow step by step gradually. So there are 4 conditions which we'll discuss one by one. So first condition is object moves along the principal axis. Okay, so this is the concave mirror. So the object is moving with velocity along the principal axis. The second condition is object moving with an angle theta. There is a mirror, a spherical mirror. The object move like this at theta angle. So this is the velocity of object. Then what is the velocity of image? This is the question. The third condition is object moves perpendicular to the principal axis. Okay, this is the mirror, spherical mirror. So this is the object which is move like this, velocity of object. This is the object. This is the third condition. Okay, the fourth condition is object moving parallel to the principal axis. This is the spherical mirror. So the object moves parallel to the principal axis. This is the object. Okay, these are the 4 conditions. So today we will discuss about only the first condition, that is object moves along the principal axis. So if there is a concave mirror, this is the object which is moving with the velocity 2 centimeter per second. The value of u is 30 centimeter. Focal length is 20 centimeter. The mirror move with the speed of 3 centimeter per second. Okay, find the velocity of image. Vi is equal to question mark. Okay, this is the condition. So the value of u will be changed with the time. So the value of v will also be changed with the time. Okay, here Vim is equal to minus Vom is not applicable. This is not applicable. Here there is a derivation. I am going to tell you briefly. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, which we will already know. So we take these values 0 and there, minus 1 upon v square dv upon dt plus minus 1 upon u square du upon dt. So dv upon dt is equal to v square upon u square minus and du upon dt. You know this derivation? Do you know how to derive this? I think you know this. So this is dv upon dt. This is the value of v image with respect to mirror, and du upon dt is for v object with respect to mirror. Okay, there is no issue. If you don't know the derivation, you will remember only formula and you can solve your all problems. Okay, so vim is equal to minus v square upon u square and vom. I already told you vim means velocity of image with respect to mirror, means vi velocity of image minus velocity of mirror is equal to minus v upon u square velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Okay, because this is all with respect to ground, so we will add g here, means velocity of image with respect to ground and so on. Okay, so the formula is velocity of image with respect to ground minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground is equal to minus velocity v upon u and velocity of object with respect to ground minus velocity of mirror with respect to ground. Okay, this is the formula. So first we will talk the condition. So first we will put all the values here and you will get answer. U is equal to, what is the value of u? 30 centimeter. V is equal to question mark velocity of object is equal to 2 centimeter per second. Velocity of mirror is equal to 3 centimeter per second. Focal length 20 centimeter. So first we will find the velocity, the value of v means the distance of image from the mirror. For this uf upon u minus f, we will apply direct formula. The value of u is equal to 30, this minus focal length 20, which is also minus, upon minus 30 minus minus 20. Okay, so after solving this minus 600 upon minus 10, so this is 60 centimeter. Okay, now put the all values in the formula. The formula is vi minus vm is equal to minus v square upon u square vo minus vm. Put the all values here. Vi minus 3 is equal to minus 60 upon 30 V object 2 minus 3. Vi minus 3 is equal to minus 4 into 1 minus, okay. Vi minus 3 is equal to 4. Vi is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 centimeter per second, okay. This is the value. Now let's take another example. This is the convex mirror. The mirror moving with 4 meter per second. The object is moving on this side 6 centimeter per second. The value of u is equal to 20 centimeter and the focal length is 20 centimeter. So this is the condition. This is my next question. So this video is become lengthy, so the next condition will discuss in my next video. Stay tuned and watching my videos to clear your concept. So we will discuss this condition in my next video. I'll come back with this video. Till then, bye. Thank you.